Hey everyone, this is Buddy. We've got an interesting video for you today. Well, it could be interesting or it could be boring if you already knew all these tips and tricks. So hopefully you don't already know them, and let's hop straight into this video. So up first, we've got the Photos app. Let's take a look. Open the Photos app, hit that select button, and did you know that you don't have to tap every single individual photo that you want to send? Now, if they're all scattered across the entire phone, then this trick doesn't really work that well and you'll have to tap on them. Alright, the next one we have is the... What does it say? The Notes app does or docs? Oh, the Notes app can scan Who the heck even does that? Okay, great, the Notes app can scan documents. People probably know that, and if they don't, who the heck scans documents with their phone into the Notes app that much? Anyways, next one. Skip that one. So if you didn't already know about the iMessage tricks, if you hold on the send button, you can send it differently, whether it's with a slam, loud, quiet, or maybe with invisible ink that actually does disappear completely from the message thread, I'm pretty sure, or at least it did for me when I did it. Or you can send it with super fun, cool screen effects like echo or confetti or balloons for stuff, but I'm pretty sure you guys already knew that. Now, the thing I'm going to tell you is these stickers. So basically, apps that you download on your phone sometimes put stickers into the iMessage. So if you tap on those little bubbles at the top of the keyboard, you can get custom stickers from certain apps. Super cool. Lots of people don't know about this because they don't try to, and they don't think they have to do anything with those stickers, but you can also send money with those and gift cards and stuff like that, which is pretty neat. But these stickers, you can either tap on them and just send them in a message, or you can actually tap and hold on it and drag it to a previously sent message and stick it onto the message thread. It's pretty neat. It adds a little bit of a different flavor to your iMessage thread. And then not only that, but if you double tap on a message that's already been sent in the thread, you can actually quickly react to it. So essentially this lets you question it, emphasize it, like, dislike, or love the message. So this can help people know that you read it, know that you approve or disapprove of something, personable. It's a little bit more unique to get that. Now let's get to the next one. So, if you didn't know, if you go into your control center, either by swiping up from the bottom, if you're no, I'm just kidding, swiping up from the bottom if you have an older iPhone, or swiping down from the top right, you can get into control center. So from here, if you hold or long press whatever phone version you have that gets you into the next menu, you either hold or long press or press it harder or something. And this actually opens up more options for you. So whether you're in the brightness and want to enact the true tone display, or the night shift if your phone has that, or if you want to set a timer without going into the clock app, or with this new feature, if you hold press on those 4 little circles in that bigger circle or squircles. If you hold press on that, you get to the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, and AirDrop settings. So AirDrop, if you're not using AirDrop, this is another cool thing. It's the easiest way to send pictures and files from one iOS device to another Apple device. So whether that's your iPad, Mac, or even someone else's, it's super fast, super easy to do, and you can even set your AirDrop preferences straight from the control center, whether that's nobody can send you it, only your contacts, or anybody can send you it. I'd refrain from putting anyone on just so you don't get unwanted airdrops, but you do have to be using both devices at the same time to be getting an airdrop. Now, if you're on it at the same time somebody else is on it and you have your airdrop set to everyone, they can send it to you. You do have to accept it, but they can still send it to you and bother you by that. Alright, the next one we got on this list is hold down plus on Safari to reopen closed tab. Really? People use Safari? No, I'm just kidding, guys. People use Safari. But yeah, so if you're on Safari, hold press the plus button so you can accidentally get back that closed tab. Now, last but not least, this one actually is a pretty new iOS little feature, although I don't know how new it is because a lot of people have figured this one out. But I also hear a lot of people didn't know you could do this because they just don't really look this stuff up. But basically, if you hold down on your apps and make them all shake so you can either delete them or move them, if you hold down on one to move it and tap on another app, at the same time as holding the other one down, you can actually mass select apps to move them all at once, and it will actually put all the apps in that exact order on the next page. Hold the mute button when you're in a call to hold the call. So yeah, so if you're in a call, you can actually hold that mute button to then put the call on hold. Maybe you gotta do something, maybe you just don't wanna mute it, but you wanna put it on hold so you can maybe add someone else to the call or something like that. This is a good way to do that. But that's been it for this video, guys. Make sure before you go, you hit that big red subscribe button if you haven't already to gray it out with that bell icon dinged. Let me know if you guys have any questions or comments down below in the comments section. Hit that like button if you've enjoyed, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.